Welcome back to my channel DigiLearner. In today's video lesson, we shall discuss about Union Executive Part 2. So, today we shall discuss about the election of the Indian President, qualification, tenure, oath of office, impeachment and removal procedure of the President of India. The President of India is the head of the state or constitutional head, ceremonial head or nominal head of India. He is the constitutional head and the chief executive of the Indian parliamentary system. The President is the chief executive of India. In Indian parliamentary system, the President is the nominal head and the Prime Minister is the real head or head of the government. According to Article 52 of the Indian Constitution, there shall be a President of India who exercise the executive power of the Union government by himself or officers subordinate to him, according to Article 52. According to Article 53, the executive power of Union shall be vested in the President and shall be exercised by him either directly or through officers subordinate to him. Officers subordinate to him means the Prime Minister and the ministers or Union Council ministers in accordance with the Constitution. All the executive power are exercised by the Union Council Minister headed by Prime Minister, but they are exercised in the names of the President. But actually, all the executive functions are performed by the Union Council Minister headed by the Prime Minister in the names of the President. So, according to the Indian parliamentary system, the President is bound to accept the advice of the Prime Minister and his Council Minister and Prime Minister who is the head of the Council Minister. Now, we shall discuss about election of the President. The election of the President deals with the Article 54. The President of India is indirectly elected by an electoral college which consists of elected members of Lok Sabha, elected members of Rajya Sabha and elected member of all state legislative assemblies and union territories by the system of proportional representation and by the means of single transferable votes. Now we shall discuss about qualifications. In next video lesson, we shall discuss about the election procedure of the Indian President in detail. Now we shall discuss about the qualifications of the President. The qualification of the President deals with the Article 58. A person, in order to be elected as the President of India, he has a following qualification. First, he must be a citizen of India, not less than 35 years of age. He must not be a bankrupt or mad person. He should not hold any office of profit either under the Union government or under the state governments. He has other qualifications as laid down by the Constitution of India. Now we shall discuss about tenure of the President. The tenure of the President of India deals with the Article 56. You know, the president is elected for the term of 5 years and he is eligible for re-election. You know, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the President of India, who was elected for 2 terms, or he continued for a period of 10 years or 2 terms as the President of India. So, the President is eligible for re-election. So, he may resign before expiry of his tenure. You know, the President sends his resignation to the Vice President, or the President tender his resignation to the Vice President, and the Vice President, who is required to communicate the resignation of the President to the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Now we shall discuss about oath of office that deals with the Article 56 of the Indian Constitution. The Chief Justice of India or the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court administrates or presides over the oath-taking ceremony of the President. The President takes the oath with I, dash and dash, solemnly affirm, swear in the name of the God that I will faithfully execute the office of the President of India and will preserve, protect the Constitution of India. That is the oath-taking materials or oath-taking language of the President. In this way, the President takes oath, the secrecy of the office. Now, we shall discuss about impeachment or removal of the President. How the President is removed or how the President of India is impeached from his office. So, the impeachment can be initiated by not less than 1/4 of the total membership of any of the household. The impeachment motion against the President can be initiated by 1/4 of members of the either House of Parliament. The members gives 14 days notice to the President informing him or her of the intention of impeachment. After 14 days, a resolution is passed by 2/3 members of the House where it is initiated. The President may defend himself either personally or through his counsel. If in the other House the charges approved, the President shall stand impeached. Such a resolution must be adopted by not less than 2/3 majority of the total membership of the other House. In this way, the President is impeached or removed from his office. In next video lesson, we shall discuss about power and position of the President. Thank you very much. Thank you.